Hello, excuse me. May I talk to you?
Sure.
Of course. Could you please stand up? Okay. What's your name?
I'm Shapna Chakma.
Shopna. Right. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Sajik.
Tasik.
Yeah.
But you are here in Rangamati. Why?
Uh,
To learn English
yes.
or to study?
No.
Do you work anywhere? No work?
No.
Oh, I see. Okay. So I have a question for you. I will just ask you an English word. And like we are very familiar with the word like perfume, right? We use perfume, or you use girls use perfume especially most. Actually, my question is, what's the Bengali meaning of perfume?
Ooh,
Try
I
to
don't know,
remember.
sir.
Try to remember. You have
Uh,
sense.
I don't know, sir.
Can't you remember? Don't you use perfume?
No.
So guys, তেওঁলোকে পারফিউম শব্দবোৰ তেওঁলোকে শুন নাপায় বাংলা শব্দ সি হ'ব তো তুমি জানি হর পেয়ে থাকোতে হয় কাৰণ তুমি কমেন্ট বক্সত লিখি জানিবা আর ভিডিও গম লাগলে তুমি অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট এন্ড শেয়ার করে দিবা